You are welcome to the online tutorials with From Eternity the Schoolboy. Today we are going to take a look at mathematics and we have a question on the board. The question says, a curve passes through the point -3 and 7 and its gradient at any point is given by 6x squared plus 10x minus 7. Find the equation of the curve. The question source is New General Mathematics for Senior Secondary Schools 3 by M.F. McRae et al. Page 108, example 4. Solution. Okay. The question says there's a curve in question, and the curve passes through the point, coordinate -3 and 7. That is, x is -3 and y is what? 7. But it has a gradient. The gradient is 6x squared plus 10x minus 7. So we need to find the equation of this curve. For us to do that, since this is the gradient, we will integrate these gradients. So if this is the gradient, that means the dy dx is equal to 6x squared plus 10x minus what? 7. This is the dy dx because the dy dx is what? Is what? Gradient. So that means dy dx is 6x squared plus 10x minus 7. So for us to find y, we will integrate this. So that means y is equal to, if you integrate this, remember the general integration formula. We know generally that if dy dx is equal to x raised to power n, that means y, if we integrate this, we now have that y, the y is now equal to what? X raised to power n plus 1 over what? N plus 1. This is y, if this is dy dx. So let's apply this here. But there should be what? Constant. Because if you differentiate a constant, you get 0. So we assume that there's 0 here, but we do not add that 0. So that means if you integrate that 0, you get a constant. If you differentiate a constant, you have 0. If you integrate 0, you get a constant. So that should be constant, which is c. And we don't know what c is. Now let's go back to getting the equation. So let's integrate this following this formula. So if you integrate this now, you have 6x 2 raised to power 2 plus 1 over what? 2 plus 1 plus 10x ordinarily this is x raised to power 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 minus 7. This is a constant. If you integrate a constant, it's assumed that this, with respect to x, this is actually 7 raised to power x, 7x raised to power 0, because any number raised to power 0 is what? 1. Refer to a law of what? Indices. Any number raised to power 0 is 1. So if since here is 7, we see there's an invisible x here, which is actually raised to power was 0. Because if you get the real value of this x raised to power 0 is 1, and 7 times 1 is what? 7. So having that at the back of our mind, we now bring in that thing that should be here. So we have 7x raised to power 0 plus 1 over what? 0 plus 1. Then we now introduce our what? Constant. Yes, plus what? C. We don't know what this constant is. And now we need to find this constant. Let's continue. So having got to this level, let me go straight and give us what y should be. So let's go. This is actually 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 3. So this is 6x raised to power 3. And there is 2 plus 3, 1 here, which is 3. So this 3 will divide the coefficient. So 3 divided 6 is 2. 2x raised to power what? 1 plus 2 is what? 3. Plus, here we have 10x raised to power 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we have 10x raised to power 2. We have 2 here already. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 divided 10 is what? 5. So we have 5x raised to power 2 minus. This is 0 plus 1. This 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. So this is x raised to power what? 1. So we have 7x. 7x divided by 1 is still 7x. So minus what? 7x plus the what? Constants. So this is the equation of the curve. But it's not yet complete. We need to find the value of what? C. And for us to find the value of C, we need to make use of these points where the curve passed. Okay? So if that is the case now, at this point, and this actually means that x is equal to what? Minus 3. Y is equal to what? 7. So for us to find C, we substitute minus 3 for x and 7 for y in this equation. So at this point now, I need to clean up. Let me clean from here so we can follow. Alright. So what the next thing to do now? Let's do the substitution. Let's go. Here is y. So here should be what? 7 should be what? Equal to 2 in bracket. We have x. X is minus 3. Minus 3 raised to power what? 3 plus 5 in bracket. This is 3 minus 3. Minus 3 what? Squared. Minus 7 in brackets. Minus 3 plus the constant. So let's go. 7 is now equal to this. Minus 3 raised to power 3 is minus 3 times minus 3, which is 9, times minus 3, which is minus 27. Minus 27 times 2 is minus 54. So we have minus 54. Plus, this is minus 3 squared is minus 3 times minus 3, which is 9 plus 9. So 9 times 5 is 45. So we have plus 45. Let's go. Let's open this bracket. This is minus 3. Minus times minus is plus. 7 times 3 is 21. So here is what? Plus 21 plus C. With this now, we can easily find our constant, the C. So let's go. Let me clean up. So let's go. 7 is now equal to minus 54 plus 45 is what? Minus 9 plus 21 plus C. Minus 9 plus 21 is certain as saying 21 minus 9, which is what? 12. So we have that 7 is now equal to what? 12 plus C. That means C is now equal to what? 7 minus 12, because 12 will come over to this side and change the sign to minus. This implies that C is now equal to what? Minus 5. So if C is minus 5, we will now substitute minus 5 for C in this equation. That means y is now equal to what? 2x raised to power 3 plus 5x squared minus 7x minus what? 5. This is the equation of the curve. Y is equal to 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus 7x minus 5. Thank you very much for your attention. Please, if you have any question, feel free to chat me up on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp line is on the screen. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is From Eternity, the Schoolboy. You can also follow me on Facebook. My Facebook page name is From Eternity, the Schoolboy. I organize academic competitions that features different subjects. So if you are interested, feel free to chat me up for more information. There are many prizes to be won, and the registration fee is 0 naira. You pay nothing for registration. It's just free of charge. Please like my videos, share them with your friends, your colleagues, your students, and your children. Someone out there may be in need of these videos. God bless you. See you next time.